Hi YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Try It Tuesday. I am super excited to come on and share with you guys today. This series was started by Veronica, and her YT channel is VL Ballin 1. I will leave a link below for you guys to check out her YouTube channel. She's super crafty, super talented. So what this series is all about is basically taking out your crafty bucket list and marking it off. And that's it. So I wanted to jump on board and participate because I definitely have some crafty bucket lists that I want to mark off. And I thought it'd be fun to play along. What I decided to check off my crafty bucket list are pom poms. I have never created pom poms. And so I've seen all of you ladies beautiful pom poms here on the YT, and I just never created any. And I've had this in my stash forever. This is the We Are Memory Keepers pom pom makers. I've had this in my stash so long, it's just been collecting dust. And so this was the time to pull this out and try my hand at some pom poms. And you guys, I don't know why I haven't created any. They are super fun. And I had a blast, and I can't wait to, create some more. So I used this to create my pom-poms. And then I had this in my stash. This is so pretty and so soft. This is a yarn, I guess, a yarn, but it's thick. And, some of when you create the pom-poms, it's a little thinner. But this is really thick. And I love the soft pastel colors in this. In this little We Are Memory Keeper. In this We Are Memory Keepers pom-pom maker, it comes in 3. And a small, medium, and large. And so I used all 3. And I'm going to share with you how my pom-poms turned out. So I had to get the hang of it at first. And look at that. Look at all the colors once you put it together, how pretty that is. I love it, you guys. It's so soft and so fluffy. I love it. Now mine, this one has only one little string tie here. And so I got too strong with it when I was tying the knot, and I broke one off. But that's okay, because you can still use this to tie it on something. But you see how pretty that is? With all those pretty colors, pastels in here. So pretty. So that's one I did. I think that's the medium one that I created. And so here's another one. This is a medium that I created. I love it. It's so pretty. And let me tell you a funny story. So, when you put it all together, and there's a lot of tutorials out there, you guys, a heap of them. I'm going to link below the video I followed. But it's real easy. But anyway, when I started trimming up my pom-pom, to trim it up to make it look like a ball, you guys, I just got obsessed. I just kept trimming and trimming and trimming and trimming. It's like I couldn't stop. It was almost like I couldn't stop. I was like, Daddy, you're going to not have a pom-pom anymore. I just kept trimming and trimming. I don't know. I got some satisfaction out of that for some reason. But anyway, that's my funny little tidbit on that. But anyway, here's the one I created. This one actually has the 2 on here, the 2 ties. So, all right. And then I'm going to share like some examples of how it looks on projects. So, here's one like on your packaging. Y'all look at those chocolate bars. Don't they look scrumptious, good enough to eat? Anyway, I got sidetracked there. But anyway, here it is on packaging. You see how pretty that is? It's just dangling here on some packaging. So I like how that looks. It looks so cute. It just adds that extra little funness. That's the word to your project. So that's it on how it looks on packaging. And then it's a different way you can put it on. Like this one, I only had one tie on here, so I kind of like tied it and then looped it in so that it can kind of hang like that. But that's so pretty. So that's an example. And then here's another example on packaging, how it looks. I just kind of tied it on here. See how pretty that is? So you can tie it on and have it just like that on your packaging. And then here's another way I used it. You can put it on your tags. Look how cute that is, just hanging there on your tag. So you can put it on your tag and just add a fun element to your tag. Look how cute that looks. So that's what I did there. And then here's another tag, just, you know, this is the small one. You see how small that is? It's so dainty and so cute. So that's how it looks on a tag. And then I put it included on this card. I just tied the little pom-pom right there on the side of that basket. And look how cute that looks. And you can also put a little charm, you know, on your little tie for your pom-pom. You can add a charm onto it to dress it up even more. So isn't that cute how I added those pom-poms? So that's what I did there. And so I had a lot of fun creating my pom-poms. And I'm going to make some more. And I think I have some more yarn that's a little thinner than what I use for these. And so I'm going to create some more, and I'll start including some pom-poms on my projects. So that's what I have for Try It Tuesday. Make sure you guys check out Veronica's channel and see what she's created for Try It Tuesday. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday. And as always, make sure you do something with love and passion. Bye.